haven't changed. We're different, but my mind still says redundant things. Can I not think? Will you love this part of me? My lover is the day I can't forget.
What's up, people? I know it's been a while, but I'm back with the vlog and we're planning an assembly today. All the sophomores are supposed to be pink. It's been a while, my hair's not wavy anymore. You already know what it is. Vlog, number, I don't know. Let's get it. Alright, I'll fan you, Gavin.
Fanning.
I'm blowing on your face. Treat it as a bonding experience.
It is bonding.
So people, we already got this assembly finna be fire. Yo! Don't worry, I'll leave you guys' YouTube and the link in the description. Oh my god, Jerry. Oh my god. Oh my god. She went all out. The freshmen are yellow. The sophomores are pink. Yeah. What are you even doing here? Go graduate already. Hey, flexing on everybody. Man, they are setting up outside. We set up these bleachers. And yes, our school did get sponsored by Powerade. Yeah, this is a video. It's not a picture. Delana looks so awkward. Let's freaking get it! You look cute, Ajane!
Okay.
Oh, I'm on the vlog?
You on the vlog? I'll leave your, hey, check out, what's it, Cloudless Buffoon. Woo. Hi, Dahlia. We're doing this, Annalise. Yeah. Hey, come here. You freaking got this.
I know, bro. I'm so scared.
You got it, Ajane. Oh! Hey, that was fire, that was fire. That was clean.
Good morning, McPope!
Hi.
How y'all feeling this morning? Hey, before they come on, let me hear everybody get high for the class of 2019 real quick. That's what I'm talking about. Period.
What's up, peoples? What's up? Good work, Jimmy.
Hey, man.
Woo! Oh my gosh, they just wild. They full of Powerade bottles. They got merch! Woo. Oh my gosh, this assembly going crazy, y'all. What's up? You killing it? Woo! Color guard's up.